So now I'm going to take and sprinkle a little bit of brown sugar. This will help give a caramel flavor. Got about 25 grams of brown sugar on each one. There's 50 grams of brown sugar here altogether. I'm going to be sprinkling some cinnamon on, just a touch of cinnamon. And now we have the Heath candy bar chopped up mixture with the chopped up semi-sweet chocolate chips. So we'll put about half on each one. There, we've got our chocolate chip Heath bar mixture on each one. Now we're going to take and we're going to roll them up. Now we're going to divide these in half, so we can end up with 4 altogether. And we'll start by rolling these up. Now along these outer edges here, I'm going to put a little bit of water, just a little bit to help seal it when I roll it. Okay, so now you can see that each one of the outer edges on both sides, I brushed it off a little and I just put a little bit of water on it. Now we're going to take each one and from the inside we're going to roll outwards so we can end up against the moistened edge. Roll it as tightly as you can. Got chocolate stuck in my fingernails. Oh well, that's not so bad. Okay, I'm pressing it down on the seam. I want that seam to get pressed pretty good. So I've got these two right here. And like I said, I want to make sure the seam was pressed. It's sticky right now, but we'll put some flour on it when we're ready to assemble it. Okay, so let's do our last two. I'm going to move these ones over so you can see what I'm doing here. Okay, we're going to roll from the inside out again. Get all our candy and chocolate goodies in there. Now, if you don't want to use chocolate chips or candy, you can use cinnamon and sugar for your filling. You could use raisins, you could use dried fruit, nuts, whatever you like. Okay, so I'm going to press that down again so the seam is pressed. And then we'll set that one aside. And we have our last one here. Okay. We have quite a mess here all over our surface. And we have 4 beautiful strands now. So I'm going to take a minute to clean up my surface and then we'll assemble the challah.